Today we'll be installing CasaOS from beginning to end. This video is a full run through and can be very helpful if you've just got your first home lab or rebuilding your current one. If you don't have an Ubuntu server, please follow that video, which will be linked in the description. I hope you enjoy the video. If you're new here, I'm Toby and welcome to your retreat. Welcome to your personal cloud OS. This is Casa. So I've used this before I moved on to building my own NAS using OMV. Brilliant, easy, can be easily installed over a Linux machine, which we installed a few videos ago. And yeah, it's community-based, completely free and open source software focused on delivering simple personal cloud experiences. It's absolutely amazing. We can look at a live demo if you would like to, but you can do that yourself. It's personal cloud, and there it is. It works on phone, desktop, and a laptop once it's been installed. You can't install it on a phone. But yeah, it's brilliant. It uses Docker. Docker uses containers. We've done a video on Docker last time. Docker is brilliant. It does its containerizations and it keeps things separate. You can connect Google Drive, Dropbox. Completely easy, no fee on top of that. Access your server anywhere. You'll need to set up remote access, but I'm not going to be going through that in the video. But yeah, manage your files, share across the network, protect data, freely add disk and expansion. Really easy. So, if you'd like to install this, then this is the next part of the video. So what we're going to do is we are going to copy this script here and we are going to open the terminal. Here is my terminal and we are going to SSH into your username at the IP. So click yes and we are going to get logged in. Hopefully, there we go. And we are in. So the first thing we're going to do is sudo apt update just to make sure we've got all of the latest repositories. And my keyboard is being really annoying again. But yeah, now that's scanned. Once this is done, we can then start installing our new script. There we go. So if we run the script we just copied from CasaOS, we're going to give it a chance just to install everything and get every single dependencies it needs. So it's going to install the necessary dependencies. It might install Docker if it's not already installed, but I think it's already installed on this machine. It will take a bit of time depending on how quick your machine is and how quick the device is. So yeah, I will let this happen and I will be back once it's installed all the necessary dependencies it needs to work. So, as you can see, CasaOS is now installed and is running at 192.168.1.245. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to, okay, thank you Google, 192.168.1.245. And there we go. Welcome to CasaOS. So here we go, we can create our user account. So it's going to be digital. I'm going to put in a super secure password and create it. We are not going to save the password for this site. And there we go. We are into CasaOS. So it shows you new feature. I'm going to click accept that. And here we go. It's probably got some legacy ones that we have bought before because of Docker. But we can just ignore these because you shouldn't have any if it's a fresh install. And what you can see now is we're into CasaOS. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you through a few of the features it's got. So if we go to the App Store, we can install many different apps, incredibly easy. I'm going to go through some of these in another video soon. Some of the good Docker apps. For example, if I find one that I know about, there's user management you can add. We've got one like Portainer alternative. We've got Firefox. We have got a file browser which is quite good, but we kind of got one built in. We've got Home Assistant, which you may have heard before. Image, which is basically where you can have like Google Photos, Apple Photos, all on here. Handbrake and many more. There are so many these days. Since I first got it, there was barely any, and now there's loads. Also Plex as well. So now it's done, we can also look at the Files app. So what we can see is our root, and this is where data, if you had a second drive, you could see it here as well and start sharing it. So what you can do is you could open the documents and you could share this file out to your network. For example, if I go share, there you go. If you go to this on a PC or this on Mac, you'll be able to find this and start putting documents in there. turn that one back off for now. As well as this, it's got this up here where it tells you new devices and apps you may like. Here's the system status. So currently you can see we're using 0 CPU. It's 28 degrees at 10.2 watts. I'm using 7% of my 8GB of RAM. This is a storage. This will all get added up once they're all in. So if you were to drive in here, you could see it here and you could create new storage. I'm not going to because the only thing I've got is a DVD drive in here. Here's a network status. So you can see if things have been copied or downloaded to your device. You can see widgets. You can then turn these off. Up here, we've got your name, your password, and you can also add a picture if you'd like to, which I have on my own one. Here's the settings. So you can choose the search bar. You can then change your search engine. You can also change the language, the port, the wallpaper. So I quite like this one here. I'm going to change my wallpaper. And then you can see all the questions and then the updates. This is where you can restart and shut down the device. If you go here and put in your username, which is, for me, will be digital, and your password of the server, if you've got 2 different passwords, you then can get a terminal and then you can run certain commands. Don't know if it's installed. There you go. That's all that. And you can also get logs in here as well. Where this, you've got a search, and then you also can add customized apps like Docker ones, and then you can also add customized links. So you can also go to youtube.com straight from here, and if you go connect, there you go, it takes you straight to YouTube. Very easy. That is pretty much the installation of Docker done. It was pretty, all CasaOS with Docker pretty much done. Nothing much. I can do another video on this if you would like, but that was the installation of Docker. Pretty easy. Go in, update your server, paste the command, wait for it to install, create an account, and you are done. It's really easy. The CasaOS is incredibly powerful. You can run LLMs, you can run, obviously, through Docker containers, you can run Plex, photo servers, sharing, Twingate, VPNs. It's incredibly powerful what you can do with it. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you did like it, please do like and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you enjoyed your stay at the retreat. I've been Toby. I'll see you next time. Bye.